Good evening, this is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Nobin Pradhan with the evening news, and these are the headlines. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari lays foundation stones of 15 highway projects of Nagaland through video conferencing. Nagaland Rural Development Minister Mitsuo Jamir inaugurates Sokreje Park in Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says vaccine against coronavirus will be available in the next few weeks, and Nagaland Baptist Church Council voices strong concern over directives to open shops and business establishments on Sunday. The details. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Nitin Gadkari today laid the foundation stones of 15 national highway projects of Nagaland through video conference. The Union Minister also inaugurated the improvement of the city portion of Dimapur City National Highway 39. The total costs of these projects are worth over 4,127 crore rupees with a total length of 270 kilometers. Union Minister Gadkari in his address said the government is committed for the progress of the northeast region, especially Nagaland. Stating that Nagaland has tremendous potential for minerals, pineapples and bamboo and others, the Union Minister expressed hope that the state will come out with the industries by using the raw materials available in the state and create more employment opportunities for the youth of Nagaland. Gadkari also extended all possible support to the state and expressed hope that Nagaland will accelerate the progress and development with fast speed. Gadkari highlighted several road projects which are in the pipeline for Nagaland. He announced 1,607 crore rupees as additional sanctioned ceiling for Nagaland for the tenure 2020 to 2021. Gadkari requested Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio to urgently send the estimates for land and damage compensation in respect of Kohima bypass. He also informed that NHIDCL has taken up two-laning of Kohima-Mao Road in Nagaland and the civil work has already been awarded. On the issue of the development of Foothill Road, the Union Minister said it is a policy matter and is under consideration and waiting for the approval of the Prime Minister. Nagaland Rural Development Minister Mitsuo Jamir today inaugurated Sokreje Park in Kohima. In his speech, Jamir expressed happiness at the completion of the park, saying that various hurdles were faced in the development of Kohima town. The minister suggested proper planning in the development of the town. He said mental development and infrastructure development should go side by side. Jamir said all developmental activities must strive for sustainability so as to secure the future of the future generations. The minister expressed gratitude to the Teak Hill members of Kohima village for their generosity for which developmental activities could be taken up. Chairman Teak Hill Thipuvile Suhu mentioned that the park was a long-cherished dream plan to preserve, beautify and contribute to the people of Nagaland, and with the intervention of the Rural Development Department, this structure and design could be completed. Later, the minister inaugurated waste disposal vehicle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the country will have a vaccine against coronavirus in the next few weeks. Addressing the all-party meeting today, Modi informed that Indian scientists are confident of coming up with a vaccine against the corona menace in the next few weeks. He said 8 possible vaccine candidates are under different phases of trials in the country. He said through the collaborative efforts of the scientific fraternity, the country will deliver a viable option for mass vaccination in the near future. Modi asked authorities to sensitize people about the vaccination program by giving the right information. As he said, rumor mongering becomes rampant whenever such massive scale exercises are undertaken. He also urged everyone not to shun the time-tested cautionary measures of maintaining safe distance and cleaning hands until the vaccination drive is complete. The all-party meet, which lasted for around 3 hours, was attended by floor leaders of both the Houses of Parliament. Nagaland Baptist Church Council (NBCC) has voiced strong concern over directives to open shops and business establishments on Sundays, especially in the name of Christmas shopping. NBCC, in a press release by its General Secretary, Reverend Dr. Zelhu Keho, urged the government of Nagaland and the district administrations to respect the sentiments of the church to keep Sundays as a day of worship and not as a day of business. Stating that Christmas is not about shopping and entertainment, NBCC said it is against the Christian principle to encourage people to do business on the day of worship. Emphasizing on strictly following COVID-19 guidelines, NBCC said becoming relaxed in dealing with the situation in the name of Christmas goes against the true spirit of Christmas. Further, NBCC impressed upon the government to be strict in implementing the SOPs till the fight against the pandemic is won. NBCC said while mourning with the families who have lost their loved ones to the sickness, one must exhibit responsible behavior, mindful of oneself and the community. Meanwhile, NBCC also wished a blessed Christmas to all. You are listening to the news from All India Radio, Kohima. Dimapur Chamber of Commerce and Industry (DCCI) has reminded all shops and markets to open their shutters on Sundays to facilitate shoppers during the festive season. DCCI President Akash Jimome in a press statement has asked shopkeepers to strictly follow SOPs and COVID-19 safety guidelines to avoid penalization. DCCI has requested organizations, unions or individuals not to dampen the festive spirit and peaceful atmosphere by indulging in illegal taxation or donation. The chamber reiterated that it would not entertain any form of taxations, donations or fund drive from the business community. DCCI asked all shops which have not yet decorated their shops to do so immediately. Further, DCCI said it would undertake inspection of all shops and markets and also give away prizes to the best decorated shops and markets. Nagaland's COVID-19 recovery rate today improved to 94.20%, bringing at par with the national recovery rate. The total recovered cases in the state now stands at 10,649, while the active cases declined to 478. The state today recorded 239 recoveries, along with detection of 22 positive cases of COVID-19, 10 each from Kohima and Dimapur and 2 from Wokha, while 200 persons recovered from Dimapur and 39 from Kohima. In addition, one death was also registered from Dimapur today, adding the COVID-19 casualties to 58. The total positive cases in the state is 11,305. Dimapur District Administration will enforce total restriction of all vehicular movements from Patkai Bridge to Kukidolong from 7 a.m. this Sunday till 5 a.m. on Monday. Deputy Commissioner Dimapur Rajesh Sundararajan in a circular said the restriction has been necessitated to facilitate speedy completion of the 4-lane construction works and as a precautionary measure to prevent any injury or loss of life, damage to property and in the interest of public safety. Light vehicles travelling from Dimapur to Kohima have been advised to take alternative route via 7th Mile, New Deputy Commissioner Office, Shokhuvi Razabhe, Maikham, Pimla Mainamsi, Jharnapani, Mezifema and vice versa. Dimapur Traffic Police said a paid parking space at Christian Higher Secondary School ground has been arranged from December 12 to 24 between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police has informed the public that the said parking may be utilized for convenience and to avoid traffic congestion. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water or use hand sanitizer and follow social distancing norms. And to end the news, a reminder of the headlines. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari lays foundation stone of 15 highway projects of Nagaland through video conferencing. Nagaland Rural Development Minister Metsuo Jamir inaugurates Sokreje Park in Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says vaccine against coronavirus will be available in the next few weeks, and Nagaland Baptist Church Council voices strong concern over directives to open shops and business establishments on Sundays. And that's all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.